Paris, Greenville, Terrell, Corsicana, Mahia, East, severe thunderstorm watch until 11. I have to tell you, I mean, this should all be canceled as well. I know the dry line's still back to the west, but we don't have any severe weather out there. The cap's strong. This little thunderstorm, that's the only one, and it's not severe. It's a little bit of rain, a few strikes of lightning. I don't even have any hail with this storm as it moves into Athens, so you'll get maybe a quick quarter to a third of an inch of rain. That's about it. A little lightning with that. It arrives in Leagueville at 6:29, noonday at 6:48, and in Frankston at 6:53. Up to the north we go. Look at North Texas. The cap held strong today. The one model, I look at 12 models that go out about 24 hours or so, and only one model had some thunderstorms. Yesterday it painted those thunderstorms up here in the Metroplex. This morning it started positioning them down to the south where we had a little weakness in the cap, and that's where they have stayed, and that's where they'll stay as we head through tonight. The dry line has moved in, all clear in the Metroplex. Off to the southeast, watch this. There's the radar at 7 o'clock. There we are at 8. So, I mean, it is out of the WFA viewing area in about the next 30 minutes or so, east of Tyler by 8 p.m. And then we have clear skies as we head through the overnight. There we go. Look at this. 5, 6, 7 tomorrow morning. We start with sunshine. I have sunshine with a few clouds mixed in as we head through the day tomorrow, especially a few high, thin clouds during the afternoon. Other than that, it's going to turn out to be a nice day. And a fire weather watch, so this is the problem. We have an elevated fire risk tomorrow, a critical fire risk on Friday due to the low humidity. You see the winds that I have up here? This isn't a typo. 50 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts on Friday. High temps in the 80s. I mean, a bad fire situation setting up on Friday. Elevated in East Texas, critical across the Metroplex and all locations off to the west. Watch these winds on Friday. 7 in the morning, 50. These are gusts. 7 a.m. 40s and 50s at 7 in the morning on Friday. You see those winds rolling in? That's noon on Friday. Out in the rolling plains, we have 60 mile an hour winds on Friday. These have nothing at all to do with thunderstorms. It's a sunny, dry day, but it's a crazy windy day on Friday. There's noon Friday. Look at this. 2, 3, 4. Look at these winds. I mean, 40, 50 plus as we head through the day on Friday. So strong winds. High today was 84. The morning low was 57. The temp outside right now is 84 with a west wind at 14. Pollen today, mountain cedar, oak, and hackberry, all three are high. Fungus today, that's low. Tonight, dry, cool, breezy, 53 is the low, mostly clear skies during the day tomorrow. It's a mostly sunny morning, a partly sunny afternoon, dry, very warm, a light breeze tomorrow. We hit 86 tomorrow. And then the winds really howl on Friday. Friday, we only make it to 81. Cold front moves through, maybe a sprinkle on Saturday. Saturday's high 72, 70 on Sunday. 78 on Monday, St. Patrick's Day, 83 on Tuesday, 75 on Wednesday. The final 7 of the 14 days, 2 low chances of rain. So other than that, Saturday, Sunday, yeah, condiments, Joe.
No.
Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we have, that's the only rain. We need some rain. We're slipping into a drought right now. And I don't have a whole lot of rain in that forecast, but there you go.